In this video, we will demonstrate basic commissioning on ACS180 variable frequency drives. Unless otherwise specified, this information is also relevant for the ACS380 series drives. Let's begin. ACS180s can be commissioned and configured for control by a variety of source signal types. Examples include discrete IOs, Modbus RTU Fieldbus Protocol, Drive Composer PC Tool, and Bluetooth connection via ABB's DriveTune app and Bluetooth control panel. In this video, we will demonstrate a commissioning for common discrete IOs using the drive's integrated control panel and an external control panel. An application macro, which is a default parameter template for the drive's functions, should be selected to act as a base for the rest of your drive programming. First, select the main menu, then press the Up button and select the parameters icon with the OK button. Select the Complete Parameters List icon. Next, scroll up to parameter group 96 and select it with the OK button. Scroll down to parameter 9604, which is macro select, and select it with the OK button. Refer to the firmware manual for a list of the available macros and their descriptions. Lastly, highlight your desired macro value and select it with the OK button. For our example, we'll choose the ABB standard macro. Please note, after choosing a macro, the drive will revert out of the 9604 parameter and back into the parameter structure. Now that the macro is set, let's program the motor data. Back out to the parameter group list and scroll down and select parameter group 99. Program the following parameters as shown. Navigate to and program the following parameters. Please note, these are common values recommended for general applications. Specific or sensitive applications may require different values. Test the motor for proper rotation. From the home view on the control panel, press the Up button until 5 to 10 Hz is displayed for the command reference in the upper right-hand corner. Ensure the drive, motor, and mechanicals are safe to operate. Once complete, press the Start button. Observe the motor to ensure it is rotating in the correct direction. Power down and correct the wiring if the direction is incorrect, or use parameter 9916 to correct the motor phase order internally. Navigate to parameter 9913 and perform an ID run, also known as a motor auto tune. The options are as follows: normal, reduced, standstill, advanced, and adaptive. Once the preceding steps have been completed, the ACS180 drive is successfully commissioned for use in many common applications. Alternatively, if you have a remote control panel connected to the drive, you may navigate to the home view and select Assistance from the list. Here you'll find ABB's First Start Assistant, which aids in drive commissioning, including providing an option to bump the motor and check for proper shaft rotation. Thank you for your attention and for your use of ACS180 and ACS380 series drives. Have a great day.